Hey, hello, how are you doing? Are you great? Okay, it's so beautiful. I can hear you. You are great, but having little problems in your life. Just be happy. The good news is every problem, every situation can be handled. There is a way. Don't worry. You know one thing? If a day is wasted, it means the day is not filled with joy. Understand? Just we have a small period of lifetime when comparing to the time of universe. And why worry? Why so unhappy? Why so tensions? So leave it, leave all those things and just see how the nature is waiting for you. It's a wonderful gift given by the universe or God, whatever you believe. Just have a look near your surroundings and you will realize the truth. You will discover yourself. I'm i'm so happy that I could not stop without sharing it. I will see my world, I will show you my world. Just have a look first. You know one thing, if in a day spent without any joy, is the day wasted in our life. So don't waste every single minute of our life. Of course, situations which are tough will come. There is a way to handle it. Now, coming to the point, understand your purpose of life. Why you have been sent here in this world. Just realize it. How you can realize? By having peace in your mind. Decisions cannot make in a sorrow and sad mood, angry mood. In the same way, the purpose of life can only be discovered when you are very happy, joy, good peace of mind, and such positive elements for your mind. So understand it. And one thing I want to say it, either you motivate, you either you take motivation from the universe or realize the fact. In both ways you will get joy, because if you realize, you will come to know that everything you wish, 99% of your dreams will fulfill. How you want to live, or how you want to live, you can make it. The problem might be anything. It may be about not having good or great career. It may be you financially broke. It may be the worst health condition. It may be the not having good relationship with your family, friends, no fame in the society, maybe anything. Everything will be solved, everything will be achieved, because you have to just think on deep. You have to go on depth, my dear friends. First thing, what you have to do is just realize what things you have already with you, what things you have which someone is not having. So feel grateful by remembering. Feel grateful for what you have already in your life. You are, then you will have much energy, much stable, neutral mindset, and then you feel better. Increase the mind energy first. We all came to this universe for just like a uh, what do you say, a trip to a beautiful location. Yes, you have to think like this. We are not here to stay permanently. Just like universe, we have no chance for at least for our, for this body and mind complex. We have no option to stay like billions of years, just like universe. Hardly 80 to 100 years we have to stay here. In that life period, what's the meaning for having great worry, unhappy, distress, tension situations? No, it's not meaning. So understand the reality that you are temporary in this world, and grow by learning, enjoy the nature and your family and friends, with your family and friends. Learn the things, update your skills, learn the skills, whatever you can. See, you have some pluses and you have some minus. You have some positive things, you have some strengths, and you have some weaknesses. With your strengths, make your weaknesses change into strengths. For example, you have ability to uh, communicate well. You have solved from you sorry you have solved some problem in your life, and you know that you can also solve some problem for others. Just create a start. Make a system how you can solve for others also. Just you can help others by creating some webinars or content like that. So if you think you can do it, it's not a great deal, and you can make a business too. So getting, for example, you know how to drive, you can teach someone who is not knowing it. And another example is, you know how to handle situation, how to uh, manage tasks, how to manage time, and you can teach it. It's up to you that first you have to train for free or charge them. It depends upon the experience, expertise you have. For some skills you have more experience. Some skills you have to do some more workout. For some training, for some teaching to your uh, customers or clients. For some clients you have to spend a lot of time, then you may charge it and make money. Yes, it's not wrong because you are helping them. Then create a system, create a process how to help them, for an individual or for a group, whatever you make. So this is the thing. These type of ideas you will get, these type of realizations you discover when you are very peaceful only. Otherwise you will feel that, oh, I have not learned these skills, I'm not capable of these things, I can't do this, this is my hmm, negative thing, I don't know these habits. See, you can develop new habits. There is a way. Getting it? Making sense? So just be happy that there is a way for achieving what you want in your life, what your goals, what your dreams, all things you can make it. Just have a uh, just plan your process, how to make the things. Whatever you, wherever you are there in your life, you are doing job or you are searching for job, you are studying, this is for everyone. Just uh, make plan for long term goals. After 10 or 20 years, how you want to become, see that self image now itself, then you will come to know. Of course, short term goals are also necessary, but don't base on short term goals. So what you are achieving, what you want to achieve in your life, how you are going to live, how you want to live, how you want to serve others, how to be happy. So think like that, you will definitely come the solution, you will definitely have the solution. So rock, very very good. I feel that's something important point I have discussed with you. Think about your strengths, realize your strengths, and make your life joyful every moment. This is Uday signing out from YouTube channel Deep Thinkers Zone. Yes, we have to think deep, otherwise there is a danger of not having joy in our life. Love you all, bye bye.